Look, just the crux of this case. This has been 3 years in the making here. Ripple didn't violate securities by selling XRP on public exchanges, was the ruling. It did violate those security laws by selling them to institutional investors. Why was that the case? Well, the crux of it was that investors didn't really have a reasonable expectation of profit directly linked to what Ripple was up to. And that was really where it stood. Investors didn't know that their money, when they bought XRP, was directly going to Ripple, and therefore, in those public exchanges wasn't a security. So that really does bring the role of the SEC into question. If XRP isn't a security, what power does the SEC have over the crypto industry? Now, it is a grey area, because they're saying, well, on the public exchanges, maybe the SEC don't have any kind of say in that. But actually, to institutional investors, which is where a lot of these exchanges like Coinbase are pushing into, maybe they do have jurisdiction, and that is another part of the case that is going to continue to be debated as well. Of course, we're looking at the implications for, in particular, Coinbase, which is having its own battle right now over the SEC being accused of selling unregistered securities, and what effectively this would mean for Coinbase. At the moment, again, we could assume perhaps that Coinbase may be partly in the clear, but it does have that institutional business as well, which could come under SEC scrutiny.
So if the Ripple token is not a security for the average retail investor, is it a commodity then? Is that then a role for the CFTC, which was the original debate, which regulator steps in? And
again, that's what the other side of the debate we just don't have the answer to as of yet, because as you mentioned, this SEC and the CTFC have been battling this out. Who should regulate crypto? The industry is saying we're definitely not securities, we're more likely commodities, but actually we need a whole new framework for crypto, and that really is, I think, the bottom line from the crypto industry.